Kamino Season 1 airdrop is over. So if you've been farming Kamino, you will have received your airdrop. The same thing as Eigen layer. You can also check your eligibility for the Drifts airdrop. But the results of this airdrop so far has been disappointing. I mean, really disappointing. If you had logged, say, $1,000 to farm Kamino airdrop, you would have received less than $40 in airdrops. In terms of APY, that is 9.6%, which is not bad. But for airdrop, it is really, really poor. So a lot of people have given up on farming airdrop. And what do? I'm going to give it another shot. So what I mean, if a protocol plans to give away $5 million in airdrop and only 1,000 persons are farming that airdrop, it means that each person will receive $5,000, assuming they are all farming at the same time with the same amount. Now, if it was 10,000 persons farming the airdrop, they will each receive $500. And for 100,000 persons, that is $50. So the more the farmers, the fewer the reward received. And right now, most people are vexed with the whole reward they're getting from airdrop, and a lot of people have given up on airdrop, which is an opportunity for the fewer people left behind to earn more. Therefore, I will talk about 3 airdrop opportunities with high potential and relatively very low number of farmers. The first one is Raya. Raya is a layer 2 blockchain that is optimized for trading, similar to Hyperliquid. Raya has raised $60 million in funding from VCs including Coinbase Ventures, Braven Harwood, and so many others. To farm Raya, go to the Raya network. I'll leave the link in the description. When you are there, just connect your wallet. You need a MetaMask wallet to do this. So I'm going to connect my wallet and accept this, the terms and the conditions. So the next thing I do is to click on Reserve Boost, and then I can choose it there. I want to deposit. You can choose any of these networks. So this one is the base network. I prefer that. You can choose Ethereum, OP Mainnet, Polygon, and the rest of them. Now, I have to deposit USDC. I have $51 here in my wallet. You can deposit as little as $10, depending on what you have. I want to deposit the whole $50, and I'll click on Approve. The next thing is that all this stuff, I want to go ahead and click on any of them. All this one is highlighting here. You go ahead and click on any of them. Let me click on this one. I can tweet to receive extra boost. So I can choose to tweet this to receive extra boost. Click on Reserve Boost. Then enter $50. Then click on Deposits. Confirm. Now your money is on the way. It'll take around 5 to 10 minutes for it to arrive. And anytime you want to withdraw your money, just click on Withdraw here, and once the money has arrived, you can now do the withdrawal. You can click here on leaderboard to see those who are actually doing the same. I can use this link to invite friends to do the same. So this is the first airdrop. The next one is Fyde or Fyde. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Fyde is a decentralized treasury and asset management solution. Basically, you stake your Ethereum on Fyde and earn yield. Right now, you can earn up to 2.1% APY when you stake your Ethereum on Fyde. So it's a good way for you to earn high yield on your Ethereum, your idle Ethereum, as well as qualify for an airdrop. Now, to farm Fyde is also really simple. You go to Fyde, I'll leave the link in the description. Then you click on Connect Wallet. I prefer to use MetaMask. Now, it is on the Ethereum network, so I'm going to switch to Ethereum. So once here, you've connected your wallet. Of course, agree to their terms and conditions. So once here, I'm going to stake my Ethereum. The reward is 22.1%, and I'll go ahead and deposit 0.025 Mind you, you can deposit for 0.02 You can deposit, as any amount of ETH you want to deposit, but the more, the better actually. So I'm going to click on stake, and mind you, this is the Ethereum network. You should be aware of gas fees because, of course, you pay gas fees on Ethereum. But gas fee here is quite low. Okay, the next is to click on approve, and next, approve, and finally stake. So gas fee here is $3.73. So in total, I've paid about almost $5 in gas fees in doing this. So that is what you should take note of when farming any airdrop on the Ethereum blockchain directly. Now, the next airdrop is going to be on the base network, so you don't have to worry about gas fee. But for Fyde, this is basically all you are going to do. Again, if you want to withdraw this your token, you have to click on withdraw here to withdraw or your token. All right. Avantis is the next airdrop. Avantis is a decentralized leverage trading platform on the base network. It supports trading of crypto, forex, and commodities with up to 100x leverage. So futures trading, you can do it on Avantis in a decentralized way. You're not giving any extra your money this time. You're trading directly from your wallet. There are basically 3 things you can do on Avantis to qualify for this airdrop. 1 is a trade, 2 is a stake, and number 3 is a swap. Now, how do you do this? So this is Avantis. You can see it's like a trading platform, your normal Bybit and the rest of them. What you do here is to connect your wallet by clicking on login. Login takes you to connect your wallet. So yes, it's going to switch to the base network. And if you have USDT, you can trade with it. So I have some USDT here, I believe. Yeah, so I can actually go ahead and trade with this. So the first thing you can do is you can do trading. You can do earning, which is the staking. You can also do the swapping. So let's start with the trading. So it's really, really simple. You should go and watch my video on how to trade futures. You can just apply that here. So you can do limit order or market order. Let's say I want to go long on Ethereum and I want to go long here. Maybe I want to exit at 3,035. Okay, so I can choose to go long. I can put my stop loss as 3,022. So maybe I'm going to use market order to go long on this. So to calculate my leverage, I always like to use my position size calculator. So I'm going long. I want to risk $3 here. I'm risking $3. Then my entry is the current price, which is 3,027.3. And my stop loss is going to be, here is going to be my stop loss, 3,023.49. And my trade amount can be $50, which means we're having a 47x leverage. So my trade amount is going to be, I'm going to enter 50 points. My leverage, a 47x leverage. So you can watch my video on futures trading to actually really know how to calculate this. So this is basically it. I'm going to click on approve. Mind you, you mustn't do all this that I'm doing. You can just go ahead and just make a trade just for, I can enter a trade and cancel it, basically just to show that you have traded on Avantis. So far, if I lose this trade, all I'm going to lose is just $3. So that is for trade. The next one is earn. You can go to earn and you can stick your USDC. But I can't do this because it's actually filled. Current deposits and maximum vault capacity is all filled. I can't do this. What I can do next is to do swap by clicking on swap/bridge. So I can bridge from the base network where I am. Because I actually want to do this, select this. I can bridge to, say, the BNB chain. So I'm doing both bridging and swapping because I want to bridge USDC on the base network to USDT on the BNB network. So I'm going to do $90. I'm going to receive $89, which is fine. So I'll click on review bridge and start bridging. So this is done through all bridge, and it's going to need time, but once it's done, I'm going to receive this money in my wallet, but on the BNB side of it. So guys, this is it. This I take part in this airdrop. Look forward to more content, not really related to airdrop, but trading and crypto generally, on how to leverage crypto to make money for yourself. And make sure you follow me on Twitter. And remember that all these airdrop are not really guaranteed. It's just for you to take part in some. If it pays well, good. If it doesn't pay, you still have your money to yourself. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.